We're in Windows 10 and I'm going to show you how to pause a virtual machine and why you'd want to do it. So if you're in the middle of running something such as Windows updates, you may not be able to pause your computer. You may be sort of stuck while this thing is in the middle of doing that, or you may be installing a program. So there's been many times where I've been needing to leave a location and I need to say I'm running a virtual machine on a laptop and I can't wait for the Windows updates to finish or the program to finish installing or whatever is happening. So the best thing to do in that case is to pause the server. Pausing the server is just like it sounds. It doesn't shut it off. It's not running at the time. It's just paused. So you can go to where it says Actions and you can choose Pause. And you can see that the server, the virtual machine that you're running on your Hyper-V is just grayed out. And so it's not actually running right now, but then again, it's not off either. So you can go ahead and close it. Now you can shut your computer down or whatever it is you need to do. You can, if you right click on it again, you can choose to resume. And when we resume, we see that the computer gets back to the way it was. And it looks just like it did. And we can log back into it and continue with whatever we were working on.